Giving online at Assurance is simple. Go to your web browser and type in assuranceumc.org, and you will be taken to our website. Click Homepage. And once on the home page, go to the upper right-hand corner and click the orange Give button. Next, click Online Giving. And on this page, you can enter the amount you wish to give, and then select Northlake Campus from the drop-down box. In the designation box, select Operating Fund and click Next. Here, you will be prompted to input your card information as well as some basic contact information so that your contribution can be linked and added to your giving statement. If you prefer to give through your MyAssurance account, that is simple as well. Simply go to your account, log in, and on the left-hand side, you will see an option for Give. Click Give, and you will be taken to a page to select a one-time gift or set up a repeating gift. Again, select Operating Fund from the designation box and type in the amount you wish to give. Click Continue. On the next page, all of your contact information will be there, including any saved bank account information from a previous gift. Simply follow the prompts on the screen and click Submit.